Hello everyone. So once again, Marion Choi. So one of my friend shared to me this very inspiring story. And then the story goes like this. So one day, there's a mentor or a preacher or a speaker who preach on the stage. And then uh, he bring out his wallet and then bring out the 1,000 peso bill. And the mentor says to the audience, who want money? Who want this money? And did you believe that I'm going to give you this money? After the audience hear to that mentor that words, everyone are screaming. Everyone raised their hand. Yes, we want that money. We want money. And we believe that you are going to give that money on us. So that's the audience reply to the mentor. So a couple of minutes, still the mentor or the preacher redundancy repeatedly says that words to the audience. You really want this money? Did you believe that I'm going to give you this money? Still repeatedly in a couple of minutes. And then, a couple of minutes also, there's a one guy who stood up the stage, who went up the stage and grabbed the money. And you know what the mentor says to that guy? Congratulations. Because you dare to stood up and bring yourself here to the stage and you grab that money will be yours or will belong to you already. So, what's the moral lesson? So every one of us really want money. Every one of us really want a better life. Every one of us want to be rich, to have something better in our life. But none of us take the risk, none of us take the action. Let's say, for example, that guy. Everyone raising their hand. Everyone screaming. Everybody believes. But nobody take the risk to stood up to the stage and grab the money. It means action. Action is very important. Since you already believe, so take action on it. Don't just wish for it. Don't just wait for it. Do action on it and grab on it. Okay? So it's a very simple and a very inspiring story. It's not so complicated. It's just you need to do action on it. Since you do believe, so action will be taken immediately. Okay? So once again, follow me for more. Sana nakatulong. Marion Choi, what's up? What's up? Keep it up. Bye-bye.